Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hello, today Aurora is my special guest and we are going to reorganize my makeup and do kind of a cleanup of the bathroom vanity. She was super excited to help me out, so right now it's really hard to see. I didn't really plan that frame out very well, but we're kind of getting stuff out of drawers and wiping things off. There we go, I fixed it. There's still all that crap on top of the drawers. I just have these super cheap drawers that I got from Kmart when our Kmart was still open. And right now we are still wiping stuff off, kind of getting stuff ready to be reorganized, cleaning out the drawers. And still doing the same thing. She really had fun with this. She's so funny. She just, like, picking up her toys, she wants absolutely nothing of it, but this, she was all about helping me out. All of my drawers kind of became a catch-all for things, so I really wanted to kind of take care of my makeup health and fix that. You may have noticed also my hair is brown. I colored it because I am super tired of redoing my roots every couple weeks. She also really likes to look at all the colors in the makeup palettes, and as we're doing this, I'm also throwing things away that either are not good or just I don't use anymore. Here I had an idea, and you'll see it at the end. It's rough. I kind of needed a way to better organize, so I'm trying to use a box to make kind of sections in the drawers. And here, her daddy came with her blankie, and she ditched me to go take a nap. I had this smaller set of acrylic drawers that, again, just kind of became a catch-all for like single eyeshadows and lipsticks and stuff, so I'm kind of cleaning that out and trying to reorganize that. Get everything looking nicely and functional, and I realized through this video you can see my toilet. That's lovely. These drawers were really cheap, and I really struggled with getting the drawers back in here. And I'm finally putting away the bag of makeup from the Walgreens video that I did the other day. It's been a week, y'all. It's been a week. Now I'm just trying to get my counter space cleaned up. You can kind of see in the background there where I keep my lipsticks and things on that bamboo shelf. So trying to make sure that all of my skincare is in the right spot and wiping things down, making sure everything looks nice and neat and clean, because it did not. It was pretty rough. And this is it. In that mug, I have my Oi Bella Beauty products. I have my brushes there, eyeliners, mascaras, lipsticks in the top drawer, more lipsticks and some lip liners, brow products and some mascaras, foundation, and concealers, and then in the back are primers that I struggled to show you. And then bronzers, blushes, and highlighters. I really need that. You can see my box dividers. That drawer are my like drugstore palettes. These are my more high-end palettes, aside from the Morphe, single eyeshadows and custom palettes and setting sprays. Thank you for watching. Bye!